Welcome to our instructional video on resolving browser issues related to JavaScript and cookies. If you're here, you've likely encountered an error message asking you to ensure your browser supports JavaScript and cookies. Not to worry, we've got you covered. Today, we'll walk you through a series of steps to ensure your browser is properly configured. We'll start with double-checking that JavaScript is enabled, as this is a common culprit for this kind of issue. Next, we'll guide you through the process of confirming that cookies are not being blocked, as these tiny data files play a crucial role in providing a seamless browsing experience. Along the way, we'll also offer tips on reviewing the terms of service and cookie policy, which can provide more insights into how data is managed and stored. Finally, if these troubleshooting steps don't resolve your problem, we'll show you how to contact our support team for further assistance. Please remember to have your block reference ID handy when reaching out. This will help us assist you more efficiently. So, let's dive in and get your browser set up correctly to avoid any future interruptions. JavaScript is a programming language that plays a crucial role in enabling interactive features on websites. From dynamic content updates to user interactions, JavaScript ensures that web pages are not just static elements but engaging and responsive experiences. On the other hand, cookies are small text files stored by your browser that keep track of your interactions with websites. They remember your preferences, login information, and overall activity during your visit, significantly enhancing your browsing experience. Imagine a personalized greeting every time you visit your favorite site. That's the magic of cookies at work. Both JavaScript and cookies are indispensable for a smooth, personalized, and efficient online experience. Without them, certain functionalities on websites may not work correctly, leading to errors and a much less user-friendly environment. Understanding the role of these components is the first step in troubleshooting and resolving any issues related to them. First, let's ensure that JavaScript is enabled in your browser. This step is crucial for websites to function properly, as many interactive features rely on JavaScript. Here's how to check and enable JavaScript in the most commonly used browsers. For Google Chrome users, begin by opening the Chrome menu in the top right corner, represented by 3 vertical dots. Select Settings from the drop-down menu. Scroll down to the bottom and click Advanced to reveal more options. Under Privacy and Security, click on Site Settings. Then, find JavaScript and ensure that the option is set to Allowed. If you're using Mozilla Firefox, click on the menu button in the upper right corner and select Preferences. In the left-hand sidebar, select Privacy and Security and then scroll down to the section titled Permissions. Look for JavaScript, making sure it is allowed. For Safari users on macOS, open Safari and click Safari in the menu bar at the top of the screen. From the drop-down menu, select Preferences and navigate to the Security tab. Under Web Content, ensure that the Enable JavaScript checkbox is checked. Microsoft Edge users should click on the 3-dot menu icon in the top right corner and select Settings. Scroll down and click View Advanced Settings. Under Privacy and Services, find the JavaScript setting and make sure it is turned on. Next, let's review special cases. Some users might have browser extensions or security software that block JavaScript. If you've enabled JavaScript in the browser settings and still experience issues, disable your extensions temporarily and try again. Similarly, check the settings of any installed security software to confirm that JavaScript is allowed. In some scenarios, corporate policies related to internet security might restrict JavaScript usage. If you're using a work computer, it might be necessary to contact your IT department for assistance. Finally, let's make sure that your browser is up to date. Browser updates often include critical fixes that improve compatibility and security. In most browsers, you can update by navigating to the About section, which checks for updates automatically. Keeping your browser current ensures that JavaScript and other features run smoothly. By following these steps, you'll ensure that JavaScript is enabled in your browser, allowing you to have a hassle-free web browsing experience. If you find these instructions helpful, stay tuned for our next segment where we'll cover how to enable cookies in your browser. Next, let's make sure that cookies are enabled in your browser. Cookies are small pieces of data stored on your computer by your web browser while you are browsing. They are designed to hold a modest amount of data specific to a particular client and website, and can be accessed either by the web server or the client computer. Without cookies, your browsing experience may be less smooth and some websites may not function correctly. To ensure that cookies are enabled, follow these steps tailored for different browsers. If you're using Google Chrome, click on the three dots in the upper right corner of your browser window to open the Settings menu. From there, select Settings, and then scroll down to Privacy and Security. Click on Cookies and Other Site Data and make sure Allow All Cookies is selected. If you're using Mozilla Firefox, click on the three lines at the top right corner to open the menu, then select Preferences. Navigate to Privacy and Security and make sure that under Cookies and Site Data, the option Accept Cookies and Site Data from Websites is checked. For Safari users, click on Safari in the menu bar at the top, then select Preferences. Go to the Privacy tab and ensure that Block All Cookies is not checked. Instead, select Allow from Websites I Visit. Internet Explorer users can ensure cookies are enabled by clicking on the gear icon in the top right and selecting Internet Options. Navigate to the Privacy tab and set the slider to medium or lower to allow cookies. For Microsoft Edge, click on the three dots in the upper right, then select Settings. Go to Site Permissions, click on Cookies and Site Data, and ensure that the option Allow Sites to Save and Read Cookie Data is enabled. Now that you've checked and enabled cookies in your browser, you should have a smoother, error-free browsing experience. Remember, enabling cookies is crucial for many websites to function properly and to provide you personalized content. If you continue to experience issues even after enabling cookies, please review our Terms of Service and Cookie Policy for more information. For any further inquiries or if you need additional assistance, you can contact our support team and provide the reference ID shown in the error message. This will help our team assist you more efficiently. Understanding how your data is used and stored is crucial in today's digital environment. That's why it's important to review the Terms of Service and Cookie Policy of any website or service you use. These documents outline how your information is handled, providing transparency and helping you make informed decisions. To access these documents, start by visiting the website's homepage. Scroll down to the bottom, where you'll often find links labeled Terms of Service or Privacy Policy. Click on these links to open the respective pages. The Terms of Service, also known as the Terms of Use or Terms and Conditions, is a document that explains the rules you agree to when using the website. This includes information about your rights, responsibilities, and the website's obligations. It's essential to read through this document to understand what you can and cannot do on the site and how the site may interact with your data. Next, take the time to review the cookie policy. This policy explains how cookies are used on the site. Cookies are small files stored on your device that help improve your browsing experience. They can remember your preferences, login details, and other information that enhances your interactions with the site. By understanding the cookie policy, you'll know what kind of data is collected, how it's used, and the steps you can take to manage your cookie settings. If you have any questions or need further clarification, don't hesitate to reach out to the website's support team. They can provide additional information and help you understand the implications of these policies. To contact support, you will typically find a Contact Us link at the bottom of the website or within the Help or Support section. Make sure to provide the reference ID displayed in the original error message when contacting support. This helps the team quickly identify your issue and offer a more efficient resolution. Reviewing these policies not only helps you stay informed, but also ensures that you're complying with the terms set by the website. If you're still experiencing issues despite ensuring that your browser supports JavaScript and cookies, it's time to reach out to our support team for further assistance. We understand that technical hiccups can be frustrating, and our team is here to help you navigate through them smoothly. When contacting support, it's crucial to have the reference ID from the error message handy. This unique reference ID enables our support team to pinpoint the problem more efficiently, providing you with a quicker resolution. Here's how you can contact our support team to get help. First, visit our support page, which you can access through our website. Look for a link or a button labeled Support or Help. It's usually found at the bottom of the home page or in the main menu. Once you're on the support page, you'll see a variety of options and resources designed to assist you. Next, you'll want to locate the Contact Us section. This section might be a form you need to complete or an email address you can use to get in touch with our team directly. Fill out the contact form with as much detail as possible, ensuring you include the reference ID from the error message in the designated field. Providing this reference ID is critical as it allows our team to trace the issue back to your specific experience. In addition to the reference ID, describe the issue you're encountering in detail. The more information you provide up front, the faster we can diagnose and fix the problem. Mention any troubleshooting steps you've already taken. This helps avoid repeating actions that have already been attempted. After submitting your inquiry, our support team will review your information and get back to you as soon as possible. We strive to respond promptly and efficiently to all support requests, ensuring you can get back to a seamless browsing experience without unnecessary delays. While waiting for a response, check your email, including spam or junk folders, for updates from our support team. Remember, our goal is to provide you with the best possible support. By following these steps and providing the necessary details, you're helping us assist you more effectively. Thank you for your patience and understanding as we work to resolve this issue together. To recap, if you face any problems related to JavaScript and cookies and need support, visit our support page. Fill out the contact form with details about your problem and include the reference ID from the error message. Our team is here to ensure you receive the help you need. Don't hesitate to reach out. To wrap things up, let's quickly recap the main steps you should follow. First, ensure your browser supports JavaScript and cookies. Check your settings to verify they are not being blocked. Next, take a moment to review the terms of service and cookie policy to understand how your data is used and stored. These documents hold valuable information that can help you troubleshoot and better understand your privacy settings. Finally, if you still encounter issues, don't hesitate to reach out to our support team. Be sure to provide the reference ID shown in your error message so they can assist you efficiently. Following these steps will help you resolve this issue and get back to a smoother browsing experience. Thank you for watching, and remember, ensuring proper browser support for JavaScript and cookies is crucial for optimal web functionality.